Okay, so while I was standing in the queue, or queue, however you pronounce that word, which means очередь, the camera shut down, so I have to restart the recording. The clouds are already everywhere, but the thunderstorm hasn't begun yet for some completely unexplainable reason. So I really need to hurry up. Yeah, okay, so this is the ice cream. I almost got ran over by a car, hooray, and somebody lost cards. And you know, I stay in Moscow for today and tomorrow, and then we head to Chelyabinskaya Oblast. Why do I pronounce it with an accent? Wait a second, I need to shut down the camera again. This plane was landing because not so far away from our house is one of the biggest airports in Moscow, Sheremetyevo. I think I can actually, if I ever want to do so, I can actually walk to this airport and be there in less than an hour. However, I have never really checked that. So, as I've said, on Sunday we're heading to Chelyabinskaya Oblast. Because, well, you know where Chelyabinsk is, that's where my cousin lives, but my grandma lives not exactly in Chelyabinsk, she lives in a city nearby, which is called Ozersk. Ozero is lake in Russian. In Polish, if I remember correctly, it's Jezero or something like that. Jezero, yes, seems to be it. And so we're going by car, so we're starting our trip on Sunday. We're going to stop in the city of Kazan for one night, and then we're going to continue our trip. And I think on Monday's evening, or probably Tuesday's early morning, we'll already be in Ozersk, and I'll film some vlog from there as well. Oh, and by the way, I really hope you hear what I'm saying right now, because as I've noticed recently, when the wind blows, it's really hard to understand what the person is saying on the camera. Yeah. Okay, and this is колесо, and I have no idea what is it meant for. But my house can already be seen. It's that one. Yeah, I'm the master of showing. Thunderstorm, why aren't you beginning? That's weird. This is after service, which means after service. I don't think I need to translate this. Those are advertisements, blah blah blah. By the way, there is Moscow. There is not. There is already Himki. I think you remember what Himki is, right? It's a little town which borders Moscow, and where I actually live. But I can, anytime I want, I can cross the road and be in Moscow already. This is going to be like the shortest trip of my life, and oh no, the rain began. No, I really don't want to run because I'm too lazy. Too lazy to run, and the wind is blowing stronger. Maybe I should shut the camera down. This high tower, which says 01 МЧС России, belongs to МЧС России. МЧС is, I don't really remember what that means, but it is something like 911. You call МЧС when there is a fire or a crime, or someone is going to die from tachycardia. Although no, you can't die from tachycardia, I think. I'm not a medical person, not a medical expert really, but the rain is getting stronger, so I think I'm going to stop the recording very soon. And that's the автобус, which goes to the metro station Речной вокзал. How come it's here, by the way? I think Речной вокзал is easter than I am. I mean much easter. Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm going to stop the recording because otherwise I'm going to damage the phone. You know, my previous phone died because I decided to swim in a fountain with the phone and it died from water. So now I need to be really careful when I go with the phone somewhere where there is water. And by the way, in the phone everything looks, for some unexplainable reason, much lighter than it actually is in real life. So like the sky is more gray than it seems to you. The professional duty of a fireman is to save people. Telephones 101 112. If you ever come to Russia, you will know that. Yes, okay, and now, oh great, and now the phone shows that I've run out of memory again. Okay, goodbye. See you soon, I hope. I mean, hear from you soon. Yes, we're not going to see each other like soon. Oh, and there's the church, by the way. And that brown thing behind it is another church which they're trying to build for like 5 years and they can't finish. What the Berlin, really? Why do we need two churches at one place? Building it with the whole world. Well, good luck. Флаг вам в руки, барабан на шею, so to say.